Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan. Today we bring you the latest stories making headline across South Sudan, from clash in Bor Town that left 3 people dead, to the killing of respected chief in Lake State, to army robberies in Warab and Northern Barghazal, to a major prison reform move in Juba, and finally to breaking political news about an alleged assassination, a plot against first by President Dr. Machar, the Vice President of South Sudan. Stay tuned as we walk you through these stories with full detail, eyewitness account, government reaction, and what they meant for ordinary citizens like you. Remember to subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel so you don't miss any update. Our first top story, clash in Bor Town that left 3 people dead. According to the report in Bor Town, gunfire erupted in the heart of the town. According to report, police and SSPDF, or South Sudan People Defense Force, surrounded a group of army young men known as the Red Bell Youth. During these clashes, 3 lives were lost. 2 SSPDF soldiers and 1 from the youth lost his life. Witnesses say the confrontation started when local youth armed themselves with guns and refused to put down their weapon. Security force had asked them to surrender peacefully at around 6:45, but they declined it. What followed was heavy gunfire that frightened residents of Bor Town. We could not even come out of our house. The whole place was full of shooting, say one of the residents. The Red Bell Youths, who are known for their resistance to police order, had earlier clashed among themselves and even fought using a stick for hours. The government had already warned them, but tension kept rising. After the shooting, the police and army quickly locked down the area. The streets were empty, shops closed early. Families hide inside their home in fear. As of now, the situation is calm, but tense. Security forces are still deployed in the street to prevent any further violence. Authorities said investigation will continue, and they are calling on parents and community leaders to talk to their sons and prevent more bloodshed. This tragic event in Bor Town once again highlights how fragile peace remains in Jonglei State, where youth groups are often armed and small dispute can escalate quickly into deadly battle. Our second top story, a chef killed in Cueibet County. We move now to Cueibet County in Lake State, where a respected community chef was brutally killed in what appeared to be an act of revenge. Chef Manyon Chol was ambushed on Friday evening, September 27, 2025, while returning to his home in Mayat Payam. He was shot dead on the spot. The family identified the killer as Witnyak Mapan, a man from the Pagor clan. According to relatives, the murder was revenge for the killing of Witnyak's father during intercommunal violence years ago between 2018 and 2019. The tragedy grew even darker when the chief's daughter heard the news. 2 of them attempted suicide. One, Adeng Manyon Chol, sadly died. The other, Yom Manyon Chol, survived and is now receiving medical treatment. Community leaders say the situation remains tense but calm for now. The government and elders step in quickly to prevent the clan from fighting each other. However, the attacker family has already fled the area, abandoning their homes and cattle camp in fear of revenge. Officials are urging the community to stay calm and allow the law to take its course, but many people are frustrated. Revenge killing have long been a painful cycle in Lake State. Every death sparks another attack, and families continue to suffer generation after generation. This latest killing has reopened a whole wound, reminding everyone how fragile peace is when justice is delayed or denied. Our third top story, trader robbed of 3 million South Sudanese pound and a pregnant woman assaulted. In Twitch County, Warab State, a Sudanese trader was robbed of over 3 million South Sudanese pound, according to police inspector Atem Deng Atem. Criminal used knife to cut through the shop at night. It was raining heavily, which helped the gang act without being noticed. Inside the shop was the trader, Musa Sadiq, along with a visitor. The robbers stole millions in cash and personal belongings. Musa fought back and injured some of the attackers before they escaped. Police are now asking the public to report anyone seen with suspicious injuries. Meanwhile, in a related case in Awil, South County, Northern Bargazal, a group of young men broke into the house of a pregnant woman. When she resisted, they kicked her in the stomach. County Commissioner Luca Tiltil confirmed that 10 suspects have been arrested. The victim is receiving treatment in hospital. Authorities blame rising crime on the economic hardship in the country level, with no job and worsening poverty among youth, because many youth are turning to robbery and violence. Our first story, let's take a look at a report. Adud Kir clear prison bill and free minor offender in Juba capital. Now to Juba, where senior presidential envoy, the daughter of Kir Mayadit, Adud Salpa Kir Mayadit, made a headline by paying off a massive 47 million South Sudanese pound weighted bill for Juba Central Prison. Her action immediately led to the release of several inmates who were serving sentences for petty crime. Prison officials praised her, saying her visit encouraged hope among both staff and prisoners. Adud says society should not abandon prisoners. Many of them are educated people, doctors, teachers, and nurses who deserve a second chance. The Juba Central Prison, however, is still struggling. Built for only 300 inmates, it now holds almost 2,800 prisoners. Cells are overcrowded, hygiene is poor, and many inmates spend years on remand without trial. Prison authorities are calling for urgent reform, better facilities, and vocational training to prepare prisoners for life after release. And Adud intervention brought a small ray of hope, symbolized by the mango tree gifted to her and President Kir by the prisoners. But the big question remains, can such one-time gesture solve the deep problem in South Sudan justice system? Our fifth story is about the SPLIU alleged assassination plot against Dr. Riek Machar in South Sudan. This is a serious political development, and I would like you to pay attention to it. The SPLIU, the main opposition party led by Dr. Riek Machar, has claimed there is an assassination plot targeting the first Vice President, Dr. Riek Machar himself. According to their statement, the plot involved top officials, including President Salva Kiir, two others Vice President, and a former petroleum minister. They say the plan first began before Machar arrest in March 2025 and has now been revived. The SPLMIO warned that if anything happened to Dr. Riek Machar, the blame will rest squarely on Kiir and his allies. At the same time, the party acknowledged the recent release of 74 political detainees, but say this is not enough. They demand the unconditional release of Dr. Riek Machar and all other political prisoners. The opposition is calling on the international community, IGAD, Africa Union, UNIMIS, Troika, the European Union, to urgently intervene and protect Machar life. The statement was signed by Oyet Nathaniel Perino, the acting chairman of SPLMIU and current first deputy speaker of parliament. This latest allegation adds more tension to an already fragile peace process. South Sudan is at a crossroad once again, and the fear of violence at the highest political level is rising concern both inside and outside the country. Mi channel lingwa same bana racha katin content jaren laden walle lerin ban lingwa same chup kentich jo nyam bana ling o mi jira ma jidir gwa same gor jen o jender subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mi chete ko mi chala re gwa tande chwa mala chup keje gor no jen be subscribe gwa tame bana we ka mana ndonde kon ling jo nyam re mi tore which bor ni ni ban jeling kel take jo mi ro da la re which bor jalaren wo take kor mi tok an kor mo wa take ni tichanak no bukon link kel ka do badan en chalat ke ja chalat wo ke jen tok tiang an pai wo ke jen chang jen dang red baro me ka pai bangwan chalat wo shi police ni kan ki police ni kan SSPDF no shik yet kan tingwani ngwan wi to tor shal ke red bill ngwan wi to tony watching kare ra kabor re wi ka jongle shala ro shane dang jok chakanak re kor mo cha de ni dang ro chakanak karam kel ka kan ngwan panken la ngwan tin kon la jang kan ngwan to lat ken no cha ka luang ka de mates ni chang cha bar ka ma cha jibu luang ka jo ran ji kalat gwasme non ko ken wa chi ka panken ji kan ka ko walta to panken so ko mo cha ka luang ka de en man dana to kor ka je ka jo dan chala ka je wa to ko gwat kwira gwam nga natin lat ke wrestling tin re wij bor ken la jibor ken rumbe ka jen gwa dan to rin tekten wa te ka tugdul dang ro te ka tare waram ke la gwa da mo shuran tare cho chunen kan wena mo wa chu yet ka ngom no ram mo cha yet ka ngom an jen ta dan en chu kor to ko je lo cha je tong wan mo to ka jen tuk tiang ka tangwan no an when mon shwala do shwa kor shwa jerej ka kore chunetin kontila deni akie to chala red belloni ala ngwane te totondo chwa red bell wa chu kan chu jien chu rudi no mo kamet ka ta bakel ga jen tuk tianga pai wa chu kan na chu ben lo buge biyet kana jen gwadan bukor be tokten a shwa na gram kel eno kene dang ro ti chana ti chikan ga na ka deni SSPDF la deni SSPDF kan chana ne ro tone wan terminate wan dwal na lungre wichin winami kamundan shoda lat ka jo cha kulat gwasme cha no chine dial chi go dor ken ki china chi kan dor ken kamanan shoda lat ko speak jen wo dong de kana be ken kan bani wa cha community cha ga jogo no di yan wandi na kapchon ko chi kor mo che de won yam cha jo mo cha jala de ken so der gwa en wodi yan ling riak man to gare which bor ka jongle state lera ro gwasme cha la no te ka kwar wi mi cha nak ala shift cha nak Cueibet county no and do badan naka je chala do wonene rewi ke Cueibet county ke Lake state wa cha wut kwar cha enak tina waram lot ke lunga kwar mo lot ke je community non wa naka je da dop gwat mi mo riven killing ke mi chala shoot jen shure chala sheep manyon chol jen naka je ka Friday ka tuk tiang ke ka war chala do ne ka jen changa mo jen chang yan dang ro wi baro mo an wale wa mi chana go ni re wichin wi mi dor shalam mayat payam jen wa bar ka ne ja chwa bar ka shwana ne ngwad mo ne shineti konti la jidware wa chi gram dan negran chi kana lat wa wun mishal ke wit niak mapan wit niak mapan mo wa jaram dan men negran wa jen ka ran pagor kalan jen wa te ka gwan mishana ka kor gwate dan wa kula cholo gwan ka jo dana chalat keje en wena mo mi gwan che je cholo eno choro yo bar la gwan na ka je ka ron kin dang rewel badak o ka ron kin dang rewel bangwan gwa mi kor je tok ten kam gen karodien amechit kana mo wa liang nenten konti la nyewut kana mo na nye ship kana mo ni nye manyon chol tin ta gwan die nak wan gwa mo ni shu nyaada kel no chu la te ka ga dang ro chu nyaada kel chu rode chu nagan wena mon mishale a deng manyon chol no chu liu ram do dien chale yom manyon chul wajan ja dul wal chala dul wal ka joran chala ka jaban nyar kel choran chor na ko jugan chelu men nyam do dien di chero de nak duno cha yu kep chanang dul wal chinya da kel dien ma tet nien ne ka liang de ka jen wo cha gwan cha janak churo de chunak bane alo churo ne nak ndang ro cha jo mo cha jo kwen jana wa community leader antama wa chi jiwchen winami te la jang dioje wa kan chardin kep ko shukor mo cha butwok ko da woni jan tugdo leken jan jodan chalat na mo chi riego mo cha tuwa ka na men ngai kona gwan wore wishin winami kam jana ko rodien rek chikan rodien nok cher ngai kona te tarate ka ten kam ken ko rodien wa cha de ni jak ko ba korean mo ba ja kapchong chana nyogo gwate me ka lerdo dien gwal mi cha yur shop ke 3 million South Sudanese pon cha ga kwaltani chuer no na ka cha chek murut no cha je mo kare kwanen wanamo lerme to ka Twish County ka Warab State la te ke Sudanese trader mo gwanya gat ka Sudanese wajen cha kwa ka cha ga kwal duel no ka wer gwa mete to ketin yo ka de chok 3 million South Sudanese pon cha ka nanga chuer wa gwa da danan tenin ka jom chala the police inspector umishal ka atem de ngatem ajenetin kontin nanka kwak Sudanese trader mo wa ken jel ken ke ngom ka chu kan duel wana mo ka wer chu kan ngok latin chala duel chu kan ngok chu ko re jemi mi chu ko re joni chu kan yo to chu kan ga kwal wa chu ko kwer ka jen ne to kontin tre duel ramkel wun mishal ke Musa Sadik ken ram mo jal mate ka kere duel ngwa chu nyin ka kane to tone wa chwa yo ken to jwa nan kan dial no wana tin gor ke chur to tone cha mo ka bod bane but taram chaje anyok ken ngwa da moni ka will source county noson bargazal wa te ke ngani ti tiene ngani jani bo shikanu duel mate shek me rutten ngwa da moni wa chicken we lo kan kwa kan kwal bane ngwa da mu chu shek rede mo chu lo no ba kwa ba kan ni wena mo na chu nyin ka point ka netin content na la ngante tontin wa duel wa jetul ngwa da moni chayu kwedji da ka jana rede wa chana dul wal cher mo ngai kona chuer jeka county commissioner luka tel chala do she chane she wel chaga kep ko mendan shoda lat ku kwiche ko mone leren jagwa seme no leren wandien kwi adut kir ma yadi ten walere wiche ka juba ka jawo chala do jen che yuri shop ke 47 million South Sudanese pon chaga yor pinga kwi pin nenten content ka juba central prison nere content tin cha yen ki la criminal wa jen che yoken ti 47 million cha yor pin la yopin ken ka wa jen bo chene tan wana long ana cheka luin ka chuer tone lo cha luin freely no cha jo mo cha jala no che lat mu gwa che lat ko che chuer che ka gul re te jen ka che promise da ne shalat no share aleka chego mo ke 47 million South Sudanese pon to ba pk ba aleka ja ka central prison re wiki juba gwaza me chala no dol an yan kanatin wajen chala lo dar nang ne tiran within met karudin la ne ku dang jok but atam right now warede tine shok 2800 prisoner ticket na lojan che congested ke chakwa long wani hajin ke tapu ala panya wa bere poro long chui natin ni charan yentena wala ya jega beje long cha jo mo cha jo kwene nono chala no chinere contin la prison authorities wa chol kan kuma kirmi yadi bo men cha dur ko kwanya la en boitin ko de kan prison de kan jagamo gwa de jalat kata dan weekeneja adudo wa cha je liya long ne tin contin shagul rete jen ka cha tanen chakalun na jo mo di nang adun ngode lere ko ba gwan ba je nok cher me chalat ka gwa de dan lere jo gwa de me ban right ko ku me spela yo warga me cha gor na tenelo yet e wa gor ke jen wo de dakre ma cha de jen na ka de chin kontin la ne kim yadi banjelin ke SPLA IO main opposition party Marwai ke Dr. Machar no la first by president chala deno wa gurke je ne kim yari no de ke Dr. Machar de kana nak ka jodan chalat ke je warga mi kana gor na me according to the statement mi cha gor na tenelu yeden wona na president self ke ma yadi tena kan two other by president wa ke former petroleum minister wa kan gor kan ode kare Machar de kan nak wa mishi na me wa ji kana tok na ka pai jogo ne me bare Machar ba je kule yen wa chu kana gor no de kare Machar de kan nak ba te kan lalat anta Machala da kuma spele ai wona na ka tan cikin duniya mo cikin nya kuma to kan ngo de kan ring Machar de kan mo kare ka ta da na chalat ke jem so mo de kon te kan ngai kama da le ro do chari por mo chaje to so mi na me shi kuma spele ai wo maro ai kana tanelu yace kula da wona na ene mo to karing Machar ramdan ba te eke me yadit kana ju kwara chajo mo chaje ko ne kan at the same time she party SPLIO she can lad no cha ne ken jen ngwani de baro so ne ti jen baro idan ngwan so for political detainees cha kalun ne de kon la bode gane Dr. Machar chajo mo cha jala de ken ajen dana le ro de ne me re which and winimi mo gor kon dialo de kon te kan ngach katin kon te lat garodien so mulat kon mugwase me chukuma SPLIO shikanedin konti la jiga ta Africa Union International Community ke liu shikane jogo no de yen tek Dr. Machar de yen gang jokane ke warga mi shikana gor jo me mi cha tan ke cha gor o yet na tenel perino jaram dan acting chairman tema ka kuma SPLIO no ka current first deputy speaker of parliament ka jo dan ngai kone atenelo yet lede lunko de kuma SPLIO dara wonyam ka jen ngaitin dial kone lat ko rudi re wichin with me so dear viewers, those are the major stories we follow for you today. Well, deadly clash in Bor, the tragic killing of chef in Cueibet, violent robberies in Warap and Awil South, a humanitarian gesture at Juba prison, and political shockwave over an alleged plot against by President Dr. Machar. South Sudan is a nation with many challenges, but also with hope for community elders working to stop revenge killing to leaders like Adut stepping in to support prison. There are some people trying to build a better future, but peace and security remain fragile. Stay tuned for more update tomorrow as we continue to follow these stories. And remember, you can support Changfied channel by subscribing and leaving your thought in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and may peace return to South Sudan. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.